Welcome to Skill IT Academy. Today we are going to see what is materialized view. I got many comments. People are commenting how to use materialized view. So we will see the option how to use materialized view and what is the benefit of materialized view and where we can use and what is the purpose of using materialized view. We will see all this section. Okay. Before that, you just go to the SQL developer here. If you are familiar with the 11G version, that's also okay. But as of now, I'm using 19C Oracle database and SQL developer I'm using. If you are using any kind of frame, that's not a big problem. So you connect to any of the users. I'm going to connect one of the user called admin user and just see the table where the data you found. Suppose example, you have a data like in my table name is like IND. This is the data where I have my table name is this is the data I have in my table. So in this data, I'm going to create a materialized view. The purpose of creating materialized view in the sense, if you want to write the query in the real time, what we are now for practicing purpose, you're writing the query like 1 or 2 lines. And in the real time, we will write the queries like a lot of lines, right? Like PL3 programming and SQL, we have a lot of to find like highest records, maximum of records. We will find all the right to all the queries, right? To reduce the burden of the coding, like we will use like a materialized review. We will reuse this code. Suppose today I'm right like select start from IND, the name table name is IND. I got some records. So every time if I'm writing this query, so it's very big burden to me, right? So why don't I save this query and I will reuse this query the next time? So this is the concept we have materialized view. We will write the query and we will save this query in the materialized view. When time will come up, then we will reuse this code. So today I'm writing one query like to find the name index name is the first record. I want to find like a first record. If I get this first record, then I will reuse this code. Okay. Let's see I'm writing some query here. Select start from IND where index underscore name is equal to I underscore this one. So this is the where I'll get single record, right? So this is my requirement. I want to find like the first record. I got some output like one record is there. So if I right click on this, click on count rows. So one record I found here. Okay. So if I want to write this query like every time, it's very burden to me, right? So I want to save this query and I will reuse next time. So what I do, I will create a materialized view and I save this query in the materialized view. Okay, how to create a materialized view? So create uh, materialized view. View the name, like simply I put like world. Yes. If you don't know the name, you just hover your cursor and you get some suggestions right here. Like you see, some getting suggestions. So then copy this query, paste it here. Run this query. What is showing the output? Materialized view is created in the name of world. You can give any name, that's not a big problem. You can give your own name. Just for show you example purpose, I put like world. You can give at any name. So what the syntax? Create materialized view name as you what the query you written, just put the query. So the view is created. And once the view is created, no need to write this query every time. So just to write the table name, select star from the what you created world, right? Just copy this world and put it here and run the query. You see the magic here. You get single record, right? So this is the purpose we are creating materialized view. Save the query and the when time can reuse this query. And one more purpose, where you find these details, go to your the user. In the object, you have materialized view, right? This is the you find a materialized view object, right? Expand this one, you see that your view is created. The materialized view is created. So if we expand all this, you see all the details, right? While the column name, these are the column names. That means your view is created here. So most of the real time we will use materialized view. It's very important in the real time projects. If you are getting save the query, then we use views and materialized as very important. And yeah, most of people use materialized view to run the query to find like highest record, maximum records, average records, and the group by and order by. They will write the query and they will save the query and they will use this materialized. When time come up, then they will run the query. Then you'll get the output. Writing the queries on the in the spot time, the short term events, it's very complex, right? To overcome the solution, we have a solution called materialized view. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.